Don't have a shop press? No problem. Let me show you how to easily remove bearings with a simple ball joint press you can rent from any auto parts store. What you'll need from the ball joint press is a cup adapter, a cup, and the press itself. Grab a socket that is the same diameter as the bearing's outer metal rim. Find a cup with a larger diameter than the bearing. Orientate the pieces into the press as shown. Tighten the jack screw down by hand while making sure it's centered. Now, tighten the jack screw until the bearing presses out. You can use a socket and ratchet or an impact to speed things up. It's as easy as that. Let's install the new bearing. Orientate the pieces into the press as shown. Tighten the jack screw down by hand while making sure it's centered. Now tighten the jack screw until the bearing presses in. Enjoy your new old part.